Ready to dive into the world of crypto, but need a secure and reliable platform? Today, we're going to show you how to create and verify your OKX account, step by step, so you can start trading with confidence. First, head over to the OKX website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, click on the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Now, you'll be presented with the registration form. You can choose to sign up using your email address or phone number. Select your preferred method and enter the required information. Make sure to create a strong and unique password to protect your account. After entering your details, OKX will send a verification code to your email or phone. Retrieve this code and enter it into the designated field on the website to proceed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the verification or identity verification section of your account dashboard. This is crucial for unlocking all of OKX's features and increasing your withdrawal limits. You'll now need to provide personal information and upload a copy of your governmentist ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure the document is clear and legible. OKX will likely require you to complete a facial recognition scan. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your face is clearly visible and properly aligned within the frame. Finally, boost your account security by enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA and setting up an anti-phishing code. These extra layers of security will greatly minimize the risk of unauthorized access to your account. And that's it. Once OKX has reviewed and approved your documents, your account will be verified, and you're all set to explore the platform and start trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.